Today we are going to be creating this Halloween look that I'm wearing right now. And if you guys are interested in learning how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to start with my base, and I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in the shade 44 Golden Medium. And I'm using the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge to blend that out, making sure my base is nice and blended. I am sorry if my voice sounds weird right now. I am currently sick. I am also applying a little bit of foundation over my eyelids. Now I am going in with my BH Cosmetics 132 pencil brush and going into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette into the orange shade, and using this to create the outline of the look. So first I am going to draw some lines on my forehead, just like that, and there is a reason for the placement. Further in the look you will see why. Now I am going to draw a line under my cheekbones where I would normally contour, and at the end kind of curve it up a bit and draw a curved line under it, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And drawing a line 1/3 of the way, making sure if it was to extend it would align with the outer forehead line. Moving on, I am drawing a line a little before the one we just created and curving it to outline my jawline. Now I am going back up to the top lines we created at the beginning and adding more of that orange eyeshadow to make them bolder. I am drawing a line on each side of my mouth as well as under my eyes. Now I am going in with my Luxie 229 taper brush and a little bit of the orange and creating a triangle shape on my eyelids and around, making sure to build up the color. Now I am going off camera to do my brows. Okay, I'm back, and now I am going in with my Luxie 221 flat definer brush and dipping into the shade All Nighter from the Nightingale palette by Pretty Bulgur and using it to create a triangle around my eyes. Now I am going back in with my Luxie 229 brush and back into the orange shade and shading in those places. Sorry, it's kind of hard to explain. Now I am going in with my Luxie 209 eye shading brush and shading the outer part of my jawline we just created. I'm also going to shade the lines we made on our forehead by making sure to only shade them a little bit. Then going back in with my BH 132 brush and defining the lines once again. I'm going to do the same for every line we created at the beginning of our look. After I am done with that, I am going in with my Morphe x Jacqueline JH43 flat definer brush and a little bit of the orange shade from the Juvia's Place and drawing a triangle on my nose. Once I am done drawing the triangle, I am slowly going to start blending it outwards. Using my Luxie 229 brush. I am adding a little bit of foundation over my lips and blending that out, and then I am going in with my Luxie 209 brush and adding a little bit of the orange shade to the inner part of my lips. Now I am going in with my Maybelline eyeliner in Blackest Black and filling in the triangle we created on the nose. Now I am going to fill in the triangles on my eyes exactly how we filled the triangle on my nose. Make sure to take your time filling in the triangles. Now I am taking the shade All Nighter on my Luxie 213 brush and setting the black eyeliner. Now dipping into the reddish brown from the Juvia's Place palette with my Morphe JH40 brush and going over the lines we created at the beginning of the look. I decided to switch to my BH 132 brush and finish outlining all the lines we created at the beginning. Now going in with my Luxie 209 brush and blending the line on my jawline. I'm going in with my Sigma E06 winged liner brush and my Maybelline liner and drawing a line on the lines we created at the beginning. I am only focusing on the bottom part for now. I am going in with my JH40 brush and using the shade All Nighter and shading the back part of what's going to be the mouth. Then using my Luxie 209 brush and the same black shade, I am going to shade the outer part of my jawline. Using my BH Cosmetics pencil brush and the reddish brown shade from the Juvia's Place, I am outlining the line going up my cheek and down my eyes, as well as the lines on my forehead. Now I am going in with my eyeliner in my Sigma EO6 brush and lining the inner part of my lips. Then going in with my pencil brush and the orange shade and drawing vertical lines through my lips. Then using the brown shade and my JH40 brush, I am going over those lines to deepen them up. Once done, I am going in with my eyeliner on my Sigma EO6 brush and drawing the lines again. Now that I am done with that, I am going to draw triangles on the inner part of my lips where each line begins. Then adding more lines towards the back of the mouth. Then I am finally going in with my BH132 brush and the orange shade from the Juvia's Place palette and extending my forehead lines towards their corresponding bottom lines. Making sure to be light-handed while doing this, I decided to use my JH40 brush instead. Then moving on with my Luxie 229 brush and the orange shade, I am patting some more orange on the mouth. Now I am quickly applying some clear brow gel to my eyebrows. We are almost done. Now let's move on with some more eyeliner and let's outline the lines on our forehead. Now let's fill in the waterline and upper waterline. Finally, I'm just going in with the Luxie 213 brush and a little bit of the black shade and shading the back of the mouth to create more shadow. Okay guys, so that completes today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!